Sicilian-style caponata, the authentic recipe from a true Sicilian. Wash the eggplants thoroughly. First, cut them into slices and then into cubes. Place them in a colander, add coarse salt, and let them rest for 30 minutes. Cut the celery stalks into thin strips. Cut the tomatoes into wedges and then into pieces. Slice the onions thinly. Toast the pine nuts in a non-stick pan and set them aside. Rinse, squeeze, and dry the eggplants. Fry them in vegetable seed oil. Drain with some paper towels. In a pan, pour the oil, add the onion, and saute. Add the celery. Also add the pitted green olives and tomatoes. Season with salt and pepper and add fresh basil. Let cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, dissolve the tomato paste with some water. Add it to the pan. Also, put in the fried eggplants, then the pine nuts. Melt the sugar with apple cider vinegar. Complete the caponata with this sweet and sour touch. Serve while chilled. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.